Good evening, traders. Vindy here with FuturestraderElite. We're going to try to get ready for this Asia session. Wild day today it was. New York in the normal market hours. Work session and throughout the rest of the day. It's going to take a minute. They won't let me log into mine until like right at 5 o'clock. And then it's going to take a minute for it to calculate. So I'll be froze the first few minutes. Sometimes they'll let me connect a little bit ahead of time and other times they don't. They almost market time, almost time to open. Still won't let me kick me out. I have to wait until as soon as it turns 5, and then I'm gonna have to log in the trader and take a few minutes from there. See if tonight, if the ATR is high tonight like it was during the market session today. All right, I'm connected. Starting to calculate. Market just opened. We opened down. Tapped 1,000. So it looks not a huge gap down or anything just yet. ATR is around 42. Hey, what's going on, Swain? See if it's going to be a wild ride here. The opening of the Asia session as it is was today. Yeah, today during the market hours, the ATR was around 50 on the 1 minute almost all day, almost for the most part. It was, say, the lowest I ever seen it get today was 25, the ATR, and that was only for like a minute, and it went back over 30, and it stayed over 30 the rest of the day, but was normally around 45 to 50 all day. Unfroze here. Market's in looking like it's in pretty rough shape with that, of course, pull down on Friday and then that pull down today. Just not looking good. Was you on during the regular session today, Swank? I was using 1 micro quite a bit, but I was also using 3 quite a bit. They got some imbalance on the 4-hour chart all the way up to 615 4-hour chart. Like about 194 or so. Something like that. Way up there. Like we're at a snail's pace. ATR definitely can't be right. It's not at the moment. Base hit here. Don't forget to smash that like button on the stream if you're with us tonight. It helps push it out there further and grow our community bigger. If you're new here, let us know in chat. Welcome you to the community. Had a fairly decent day today. New York session. I did blow eval today. Then everything else pretty good. Locked in green in several accounts today. Caught a real nice move there at the end of the day in power hour. It moved like 200 points up, and I caught a pretty good sized portion of that. ATR says it's around 21.22, but it don't feel like it's moving nothing. Maybe I had to start going to bed early and getting up and doing a session from like 2 a.m. Eastern, say 4 or 5 in the morning. 2 a.m. Eastern, 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. Try that. Oh, let's push up. I want to feel that gap right there. Down. Need to do. Now the ATR is dropping. Price action don't reflect what that. I'm just gonna try to get out of this trade and wait. If I can get out in the green. For a better setup. My $6 and go get me a Happy Meal. There it is. Got tired of waiting, and there it is. Ain't that usually how it goes? Going on, Hammerhead? Yeah, I closed that way too soon. Way too soon. It happens. Oh, there's Remod. Evening Remod. Yeah, them likes help us get seen further on you. That's that like. Subscribe to the channel. Set them notifications. Gotta run it up, run it up. About how about we do something a little different for tonight's session? Let's say we think if I could run it up to 30 likes on the stream, how about I give away Kill Zone Indicator, either the Trading View Edition one or the one for NinjaTrader 8. Do that. Appreciate that high five, Remont. Sounds good. See. Today's New York stream wasn't near as busy as usual. This one is not near as busy as what it usually is in the first half hour. So I don't know if a lot of people aren't trading because of the kind of day it was. Possibility. Can't blame them. Can't blame them. Oh yeah, I'm sure. I know I blew me one. Didn't hurt that bad though. It was only $20. Because I'm one of them guys that likes to be cheap up front and don't mind paying activation fee. So if you think we fill the gap up here first before we do anything to the downside? I want to take. Fills the gap. Hmm. Well, had a nice imbalance on the chart all the way 43, I think it is. Like button on the stream if you're enjoying the streams. Yeah, today was a pretty wild day in the market. A little bit more wild than last Friday. Had a harder drop than last Friday. So low now. Maybe they give us a manipulation candle to the downside. I know during that drop today, they had a crazy manipulation red candle. Point. Crazy. I got a lot of stuff to cut out of today's stream because I took a whole lot of trades compared to normal. Do it. Let's get. Probably take what higher than that. Gonna run it against me. Ooh, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. You can do it. Let's go. Give me a replay of earlier today. Drop it for 400 points. $80 and run. Close out of that manually. If anybody lost some accounts today because it's pretty rough on that drop and ATR was up all day. Bull and Ox still got their 89 on the 50K eval on their option 1 evals. 50K is just like $19.25 and $3,000 profit target, $500 drawdown. That's my favorite part, the extra $500 in the drawdown. And then you can get the 25K for about 15 for an account, and it's 1,500 profit target and a $1,500 drawdown. That sale's supposed to end today, but they keep extending it, seems like. So it may get extended, but it may not. They've been extending it at 89% for like over a month now, I think. I'm glad you didn't lose any today, Wayne. Hope most everybody did pretty good, I hope. Like I said, it wasn't real busy on the session either. Ouch. Starting to get a little loose. Hopefully I don't do anything too crazy tonight. Let's drop. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. Sure, it was Snoop Dogg. Let's drop it like it's hot. Oh, come on. If you're enjoying those streams, make sure to smash that like button. If we can run it up to 30 likes, I'm going to give away the Kill Zone indicator, either the Trade and View edition or the Ninja Trader edition. But we got to smash that like 30 times. Come on, let's go down. Close my trade out right. You hit it like 30 times. Fire. Down. Come on, push down. Push down and break below the 5-minute 50. Put me some protection in. On, let's go. Push it on down. That's basically that's all I'm trying to do, but I'm gonna try to give it a little room to breathe. A little bit. That gap fill on that 5-minute way on down here, that value area low, volume profile is down there around where that gap fill. Figure maybe if I'm lucky, I can give them a little room to breathe. Who knows? Maybe it gets there. I'm gonna buy one, buy two there manually. Just hold one. We'll see. Better change this down here to one. See if they go get it. See if they can break below 29K first. If they can't, maybe 29K might hold it. I don't know why it would, but it could. I'm gonna push through it hard. Don't even bounce there. They can push on down to 29. I'm sorry, to say 980 down here. If they can push to 980, I'll move my stop to 29K. If they can do that. Said no thanks. That though, 260, 50. Rotate. Oh, what y'all trying to do? Y'all want to go up? Why not? Right. Got down there and bounced off 29K. See if they found something they wanted to go on up. Have here 55. Pivot. Let's go. No, you want to. Do that to me. Now you want to break below there? Or are you going to do a double tap? Hey now, don't be getting all crazy. Push it up again like you did a minute ago. Took me 40 minutes to get my other account 260 in the green. Took me 4 seconds to get one in the red real bad. I guess that's what I get for sizing up. Oh well. Come on. What you doing? Nice. What I'm talking about. Get it. Push. Push. It's not pushing. Stopping me out. Alright, go on. I'll scalp out. I don't care. Green. Pump it up. Pump, pump, pump it up. Let's go. Come on, what's taking so long? Oh, oh yeah. What I'm talking about. I like it. Do it again one more time. The protection down here. I ain't. That's what I'm talking about. Get out of this. That's what I'm talking about. Let me rotate. All right. Maybe I should not size up like that no more. Had me over here sweating. Not really. Not really. Don't forget to smash that like button on the stream. Help push it out there further. We can run it up to 30 likes. I'm going to give away a kill zone indicator to someone in chat. But maybe you're somebody that don't want it. That's fine too. Then I could choose somebody else. No rhyme or reason. This thing can't decide what it wants to. Under the golden pivot. Now it's also under the 5-minute 50. All our EMAs are stack bearish. Should we be counter trend trading right now then? Be going long? Should we be going short? Short it. Take one here. Goes against me, I'll add to all the way up to golden pivot probably. Oh, yeah. Section. I'm talking about. Come on down here somewhere. Let's get it. What was that area I was talking about? 950? 950. Man, it looked like it stopped me out right there. Go down, don't stop me out. All right. I'll take a couple more there. Oh, let's go. Get it. Drop it. Boom, drop it. Drop it, you dirty dog. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Going. Going. Oh yeah, I bet that would do it. Sure enough. Stop me out. Try it again. Oh yeah, I forgot CPI's tomorrow, ain't it? Yeah, I think I might just sit on the sidelines tomorrow. Oh, let's go. 950. 950. We want 950. Quit messing around. Ooh, nasty wick. Go, go, go. 950. 950. 950. Go down. I know you can do it in one candle. I see how it is. How it is. Drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop it hard, drop it hard. Take take it there. we have any new members here tonight, let us know in chat so we can welcome you to the community. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe on YouTube and set those notifications. Live stream New York open 5 days a week. Right now we're doing Asia session Tuesdays and Thursdays. I might rotate that out a little bit here and there to different nights of the week though, just to test other nights out. It might just be me and you. It shows that it's not just me and you though. It'll drop. Drop it like it's hot. Boom. What I'm talking about. Oh. See. Can you do it? Break below 29 and stay. Let's just give it a try. I want to see you come to 950. For the shot, right? Oh no, it's gonna not any good. Not any good. Oh, I'm gonna be going from green to red in one finally. Having to try to go back from red to green. Come on, you need to break below 29K. Close like that. Now keep going down. Nobody wants to go up right now. They all want to go down. Not that hard. Just push it to the downside. Well, my good. Close out of that. $100 in the. I better quit messing around. Let me rotate out of this. This will be the fourth one. Fourth one. Let me see. What do we do next? Do we keep shorting? Scalping it short? One of these get me watch. Come on, more to the downside. Let's take 5. Evals, swing. I'm not touching this up here tonight with my funded. At least I don't think so. I guess if I seen the right thing, I would. 5 right out of the gate. 10 instead. Drop. Oh, you want to. Do it. Oh my goodness. Don't y'all be giving me no green candle like that. Scaring me. Get another 5. $6.50. $6.50. Come on, $6.50. I mean $9.50. $9.50. I say $6.50. $9.50. Oh no. No, 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 not with the thing. No. Oh, I tell you what. Trying to trap people on. Back mode. Oh. What am I gonna do? I'll close it. Got me. Come on, let's go. Drop this thing. Let's go. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Guess I'm hold for a lot longer than that though. Selling it right there. Ooh, ooh. Kill me. Play full port in a minute. I don't even care. Come on, let's go. Drop it. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. Push. Give me my $1,500 back. Drop, drop, drop. Do it. Do it. I'll try to talk it into existence. This stupid magic 8-ball lied to me. Come on, drop it. Drop it. Drop it. All right, I'll take 5 air. Take 5 more off manually. That top back here. Shake it harder. Throw it down the concrete and break it. Thing lied to me. It put me in the red. Oh well. Give me my drop to 950 and I'll be good. So excited. You know it's wrong. I want to go to the dark side of the moon. If we have any new members here with us tonight, let us know in chat so we can welcome you to the community. If you hadn't already, smash that like button on the stream. We're going to give away Killzone Indicator if we get to 30 likes while we're on stream. Helps push it out there on YouTube further. I can see they want to go against me here. Dollar cost average in again. Do it. Do it. Push. Go down. Help out of this fight. Push down. Playing with fire or not. So if I'm gonna be able to get this one back into the green. Push it down. Push it down. Go. Go, go, go. Push. Yeah, but last week I wasn't trading with kind of size either. I was trading, doing too many silly things. Probably a little loose because I made myself a drink. So. Oh no, you didn't. Better go back down. Let me get the Great Dane over here. Come on, let's go down. Back like ducks. Only. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Let's see here. I think you can. I think you can go. See if we can go up our money. Five off. Looks like it wants to fan to the upside here a little bit, maybe. As long as it don't reject out of that 50-minute or 50 EMA on the 1 minute there, maybe we get a little bit back here. Maybe. They didn't want to bring it down to my 950, so maybe they want to go up to 50 or 60. Push it. Move that back. Let's go. About a 50-point move. Want to do way up here. We're going to try, though. We're going to try. You never know if you don't try. Gotta try. What's going on, Muhammad? Hope you're doing well tonight. Oh, here we go. Now I'm long. Now it wants to go against me. Ooh, look at this. Look at that. What about that? Go get it. Go get it. That's what I'm talking about. Go get it. I'm going to take 5 off there manually. Go get it. Get me back in the green. You know what? Come get it up here somewhere. I'll add to my position if you. Come on, let's go. Losing my mind over not. Get it. Go get it. Put a stop all the way down there, break even. Just in case. I want to see if they can pull some more out of this. Point of control's around 115, so that'd be on up here somewhere. If we have any new members out here with us tonight, let us know in chat. Welcome you to the community. Smash that like and subscribe on YouTube if you're liking the streams, and smash a like on the stream. We stream the New York Open 5 days a week, and the Asia session right now, usually on Tuesdays and Thursdays. As of now, might switch that up a little bit, maybe next week. on, push on up there to 115. I think you can do it. Oh, you can do it. I just asked the magic 8. Although it's cracked where I threw it on the ground, but maybe it's still a little dizzy. Maybe it's spitting out the wrong answers. Who knows? And if you're curious, you can find the Magic 8 Ball. I got them listed for sale on Amazon. Trading Magic 8 Ball. I'm just kidding. That's a joke. I'm just kidding. Oh, this ain't looking. How about I close this trade? Look at that. 587 from what, 1500? All right then. See what we got here. I think I'm gonna pull them back. Stay right here. And right here. Right here. Don't give me a pullback. Let me get in long again. See if I can make the rest of this. I'll keep on coming down. I need you to come pick me up. Leave me at no train station tonight. Took my money. I want it back. Treating me. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Whatever. Keep on going. Come on, let's get it. Come on, keep on going. Don't act like that now. Oh, come on, push. I know you want to. Get it. I bet you. I'll take more. Go on down. Oh, I was about to buy some more. About to get me out of the red. Come on, let's go. Do it. Do it. I didn't want to sell them there. I want to sell them up here. Sell them at the gap fill. Come on, let's go. Push it. Come on. Stop. There. Buy some more. Push. Push. Push it back green. Come on. Push it back green. Up. Go. Fire my nerves up. Come on, push. Y'all did all that for nothing? Come on, let's go. I'm back right where I was at, almost. Hmm. Yeah, it's crazy. Crazy market. Crazy, crazy. I'm getting murdered. Getting murdered. Oh my goodness. I need to get a push. I need to get a push. If I don't get a good push, I'm in deep water. I'm in deep water if I don't. It's sink or swim now. Sink or swim. Uh, hey, what's going on, Avita? Glad to see you here. Well, let's get one of them big green candles. I ain't had one of those in a while. Come on, you gotta push. Don't be playing no games. Push, 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 push. Ah, killing me. Come on, you push. No. Monster green candle. Oh, they got me. They got me. Well, there went $19.25. All right, rotate out. That was a no, it's a bull and ox. Fun times right there. Fun time. Yeah, bull and ox's 50Ks are $19.25 right now with the 89% off for the option one. Hopefully, we don't blow another one. Activation on a 50K is 148. Activation on a 25K is 140. Oh, if we Now I blew an eval during the day on the day session. I blew one tonight. So I'm down about $40 on the day as far as eval. Option one. That cell only works on the option one most of the time. The option two, it don't accept the discount. Man. Oh man. I need to quit wild stuff. I don't normally trade like that. I may be used to it. I've been using Bull and Ox for so long. That's why I trade, pretty small with my funded accounts, and I don't trade like I'm trading tonight at all with them. Really got to stick to the rules and your discipline with them. That's for sure. Yeah, you can pass the evals in one day. Maybe I should have sold when that was in the green. Great Danes over here slobbering all over me. I'll just take 5 more right there. Five, 30. You know what? You can also fill them in one day. I think I've proven that. Me too, Swang. Me too. I'm FP. I'm trading a little looser tonight than I usually ever do. Like, I mean, I'm just trading. I'm scalping. Uh, Not trading any particular type of setup or anything like that. I'm just scalping. Both ways if I got to. I don't typically scalp anymore, and I definitely don't use size like this. Unless I'm wanting to be aggressive and pass some evals in one day, a lot of times I will I'm trying to pass them one day, I'll get aggressive and trade higher size and contracts. But it's not very often I try to pass eval one day anymore. Tonight I'm basing my entries on the Magic 8 Ball. During the day session, I'm gonna base my entry, depends on my trade plan. Depending on my trade plan is gonna determine where I want my entry to be. a lot of times I'm constantly looking at multiple time frames. I'm not right now. I do that during the day. I'm not even really looking at any other chart but the one I'm trading right now. Usually during the day, I'm spending more time looking at a different chart than the one that I'm trading on. Looking for confirmations of this and of that, and a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You know, there's just so much that goes into it. But I do need to quit. Need to quit being a little bit wild here. Be a little bit smarter. I'll close that out because I'm only a little bit in the red. So. Come. FP, yeah, well, it ain't that funded accounts are harder to trade, but you need to make sure you're sticking to your rules and your discipline. And then once you go funded, it can bring on a different set of emotions that you got to deal with. Because I mean, then you know, this is an account that I can take money from. So it brings on a whole other set of things to deal with. Yeah, yeah. Swing is ATR is like a snap. Stepped away from the computer. I can see I kind of missed a little short here going on. maybe they want to keep going short. Maybe that 950 is back in play that I was talking about earlier. Uh, Kind of like in the 950 area, possibly. Of course you would. Of course you would. Oh, it's 7:30 a.m. market time. Should have known. Could have been some volume coming in. Plus, that momentum was oversold pretty bad for a while. It's been tracking down here, waiting, you know, for a boost, to the upside. Mama, let's go down. And what happened? I walked away from my computer, and looks like I probably should have been out. Lee, are you serious right now? Allergic to being down there? It better come on down there and quit being allergic. Oh, what we're eating tonight yet? Waiting for some ribs. Oh, that was so good too. Hmm. Oh man, look at this. I'm talking about. Get it. 6 hours. 6 hours. Smoke them for 3 hours. Wrap them in aluminum foil for 2 hours. Then take them out and finish them off the last hour. All right, I'm gonna close that out because I'm back in the green on that thing. Enough of their shenanigans. I hated it when I had to learn to use it, but it's like anything else. Learn the new. I was so used to using whatever I was using back then, and but once I got the hang of it, I really did enjoy it. Take another short here, size blade down. I need to quit sizing up like that. See, if I just have two right here, that gives me the opportunity to buy 68 more somewhere along the way if I need to. $68 more contracts, micros. Yeah, I can have up to 70 on a 50K account. A bullet. Yes, I have traded 70. Or have. Just like trading 7 minis. Not not often, like, I hadn't done that this year, but last year when things were really, I was really firing down on it, and I mainly traded minis though. But every now and then I've been micros. I got a real nice one out there. There's a nice video out there somewhere where I was in micros and played it both ways. I played it short. I think I played it short with like 20 or 30 micros, covered and picked up 60 long, I think. I hit it one way for like, I don't know, $1,500, $2,000. It hit my orders at the golden pivot, covered, and went in with like another, I think it was 60 to the long side, and then went up and made another 3K or something. Yeah. Yeah, but you can also blow it with a sneeze too. That's the thing. That's just too risky. Oh, look what they're trying to do now. They're going to try and push against me with my two micros. Maybe I should get a couple more up here. What I'm talking about. Let's go. Get it. Scalping. High frequency scalper. All right, I'll close that out. Too many games. I think they might try to take this and expand it to the side a little bit here, possibly. Although it might just sweep the 50 EMA on the 1 minute, and you got the 5-minute 50 there. No, let's just short it some more. All right, Swain, we'll see you on the New York session, maybe. Have a great rest of your evening. Probably won't be on much longer myself. Working on over there. How many cars you get up? Hopefully it just sweeps the 50 EMA on the 1 minute right there. FP just depends on the day, depends on the days. If I I try not to be 900 down on the funded. I try to lock out before I can ever put myself in that position. Let's say that I was and I was trying to recover, it'll be slow and steady, you know, anywhere between 1 and 3 micros. Uh, Only waiting for particular trades, and if I plan my trade and price does not come to where I need it to be, then I won't take a trade. I'll just take the $900 loss on the day. It's easier to take a $900 loss and walk away and be able to survive the trade another day than it is to try to recover a $900 loss and end up tilt and blow the funded account. I need to close. They're back to this, whatever it is they're doing. I wouldn't even be messing with it. Go, push it to the golden pivot. Push it to the golden pivot. If we have any new members on with us tonight, let us know in chat. Welcome you to the community. Welcome all new members. Looking for a push into the 50 area up here on structure. We can get the push into the 50 area. Hold up here. I'll probably add. Trying to tackle even higher. Up there around a golden pivot. Possibly, they really need to try to track this back to about 115. I don't know if they're going to actually be able to do that. Well, FP, they had a nice the 1 minute bias on intraday or intra evening, whatever you want to call it, yeah, is down. But just because it's down don't mean you can't play long. We got a nice little push here. We come down here, it formed a base down here. Dropped here, got a bounce. It came slow, grinded all the way back down in the same base. Got another push up here. Flagpole starting to build a bull flag. It's above the 5 minute 50 and it's holding. Okay. It's above the 50 EMA on the 1 minute, and all these EMAs are trying to fan out the way they're supposed to. So I'm willing to put up a little risk here because point of control on volume profile is around 115, and that acts like a magnet. So sooner or later, they are going to return price up into that area, which is on up higher than all this is. You know, and then I have the momentum side of things on say the 2 minute and the 5 minute. The 5 minute chart has all kinds of room of upside on the kill zone indicator to go up. Like it can get way above all this on 5 minute. And then of course, if you skim across some of the higher time frames, you know, they're more bullish than bearish at the moment. So I mean, it's just taking everything into consideration, you know, across multiple things. Now, like if this was during the New York session and trend was down like it was today, we'd be looking to short the pops and not counter trend trade and you know go long on those pops. We was looking mainly for areas to go short whenever it would pop. We have already seen what kind of reaction we got back here once when we got down in this base. Kind of come up and then retested right here. It left some imbalance right here on this run, it came back and filled that imbalance and took off fast up in this direction. So, kind of looking for something like that. But right here, nice green candle, build a flag right here, little bull flag, another flagpole. Now they're building a flag, trying to push it on up. Does it happen? It don't have to happen. Setup is worth the risk for me as a trader. Take it. Maybe not for everybody. Yes, FP, the more confluences you have in agreement, the better off the trade should be. Although you could have, say you have a set of rules and all 5 confluences hit, that say you have 5 and all 5 hit, that don't mean it's going to be a winning trade. I mean, yeah, of course I watch how candles are moving. That's how about how I read momentum and price action is by the way I view candles moving and volume coming in. But I don't base my any trade plan around like chart patterns or just the way it's moving. Now if I see a lot of momentum come into a chart, and I mean a lot, I may take a certain candle or setup, but mainly looking for breaks of structure retest. The safe thing is to take the break of structure retest, the orb any break, always take the retest. That's the safest thing any trader can do. I don't know how long other people have been trading. I've been trading a long time, so I take the breaks a lot. I'll take a break and then add to my position on the retest if I need to. And then some days I will just wait for the retest myself. Sometimes I front load my orders. Like, say I want to go short at the golden pivot. It being a down day, a lot of times I'll let my order sit up there instead of waiting for how it reacts. I want in as soon as it touches it. But different days call for different, have to adapt to the market every day. The market changes every day, and it could change in the middle of the day. You could be trading one particular trade or setup for the first half of the day, and it would never hit on the second half of the day because you got to change with the market. When I talk about break of structure, I'm talking about what I'm looking at on a 1-minute chart. Now, you got to think, for every break of structure on a 1-minute chart, the higher it gets, it's breaking it on a higher time frame. As in the 3-minute, the 5-minute, 10-minute, the 15-minute, the 30-minute. As long as you keep grinding up, them structure breaks that you're seeing on a 1-minute chart are on a higher time frame happening. Especially the further back the break is. Like this one here was at, I don't know, however long ago that was, several candles. It's probably 20, 30 minutes ago. So if it breaks it, that's a 30-minute break of structure. Or 20-minute, whatever it is. Just got to cut them. You got to cut them. If something don't look right, you cut them. If you don't like the dollar cost average into a trade, because a lot of traders don't like to do that, you just got to know when to cut them. It's whatever your own risk is based on. Come on, push. Trying to get back in the green. I had this count down $800 something, I believe. But I need a full move here to probably get back in the green. the more reps that you put in and the longer you do it, you're going to realize, and then you'll see, you'll be able to tell, a lot of times you'll know when to cut it. And sometimes you might think you need to cut it and you do, and then maybe you didn't have to. Maybe it ends up going your way and you left a lot of money on the table. That's all part of trading. You're never going to be right every time. But what you have to be is willing to accept being wrong and accept losses. Without being able to accept both of those, it's going to be hard to ever become a better trader. You have to be able to accept being wrong sometimes and accept taking losses. It is all part of what we do. There's no getting around it. Hey, what's going on, John Wayne? Come on, let's get this push into that area. I'm trying to get back in the green. Plus it's about 7 o'clock. Better put a stop in. Way down here, in case. Maybe we'll hit that whole hour. It's going to be 8 o'clock market time here in about 1 minute. Maybe then we can get some volume in here for a bigger push to the upside. I'm really hoping I can hold this trade out through, say, I want to see 115, honestly. But that is if they can get up to the golden pivot here and break through it and not reject out of the golden pivot. Hey, I appreciate you being here, John Wayne. Welcome to the community. Love seeing new people. Love helping. I hope that I can help in some kind of way or make things a little simpler. We live stream 5 days a week, the New York Open. And right now we're live streaming the Asia session like Tuesdays and Thursdays right now. Come on, I need a little bit more. Push, 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 push. Ah. Sorry, they got me in the green. Thankfully. Good job. They stay above that golden pivot. I think they're going to try to tackle that say 120 area, 115, 120. They're putting in a W on the 5-minute chart. If they can break through, well, I'm going to say if they get back over 100 and hold, they get over the 100 and hold, which is this high back here, then there's a good chance. See, they're putting this W in right here. They break that 30-minute high and hold, there's a good chance that they're going to go fill that gap down that they put in when the market opens. And it might happen pretty fast if all those things line up, hit at the same time. I'm going to take 5 here at the golden pivot again on this retest and see if this plays out for this run up, break this 100 level, and see if they can extend this out and fill that gap fill. This will probably be the last trade that I take tonight. Hopefully it works in our favor. Was that thunder? Thought that was my stomach growling. Right, 7 o'clock. Show us what you got. Drive it on up. Or 8 o'clock, sorry. I'm probably throwing y'all off. It's 8 o'clock market time. I'm in Central. Nice. Beautiful. Keep on going. Show us what you can do. Thank you. I think you can do it. I think you can. I think you can. Did I not just say that this is what it looked like it was going to do? For sure, I just said that word for word. We're looking for about 140. So maybe the 15-minute 50 up there. I'm going to sell 3 manually here and hold 2 just to see what we do. And I'm going to protect myself under the 30-minute high. I'm in at 0.75 myself. So you got a really good. I'm going to sell 2 up there. Well, I'll change it to 1 for now. We'll see what we can get out of this. We should see 140 or right up in this 15-minute 50. Maybe not. We need to break above 115-ish. We need to get over the overnight high and hold for that to happen. I'm going to put this one back down here, this stop 2. So either way, this will be my last trade. Either they're going to stop me out or they're going to march that up there and try to take out that 145 area. I mean 135, 140, whatever this is. Say 135. I love it when a trade plan comes together, especially when it comes together that fast. That just is this is everything we just said right before it happened. Put in the W, take out the level at the 30-minute high, get above the point of control, and you should see 139, 140 really. Tag me out. Nice. I'm out. That's my last trade of the night. I hope everybody has a great evening. Trading goes well. Stay green, stay safe. I appreciate everybody who showed up, hung out with us, showed out and showing the support. You know, if you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button on the stream and like and subscribe to YouTube. We're on the path to 1,000 subs. We're trying to close in on 900 right now. We only need about 7 more subs to get to 900. So we need 107 subs to get to 1,000. Looking to grow community as big as we can get it. And I hope to see everybody again on Thursday, unless you join us on the New York session, 5 days a week. Market open. We're on there. So everybody have a great evening, and I'll see you next time.